So Apple is about to drop its first ever foldable iPhone, and honestly, it might just be the most important phone launch in years, not because of the screen, not because of the chip, but because Apple did something no foldable manufacturer has dared to do before. They made it easy to fix. Stick around because this one's different. So let's break down what we actually know. Leaked dummy units have surfaced, and these look final. The iPhone Ultra sports a 7.8-inch inner display and a 5.5-inch cover screen, powered by the A20 Pro chip. Starting price? Around $2,000, expected to launch in September alongside the iPhone 18 Pro. Now, here's where it gets interesting. Every foldable phone on the market right now is basically a repair nightmare. Fragile ribbon cables, cramped internals, components crammed in wherever they fit. Apple said, "Not on our watch." The internal design is described as logical yet elegant, a strategic stacking system that makes this the easiest foldable to disassemble in its class. Apple moved the motherboard to the right side of the phone so cables run straight up, no complex routing across that delicate folding hinge. Compare that to the Galaxy Z Fold or the Pixel Fold series, and it's night and day. That smart internal layout also freed up room for the largest battery ever put in an iPhone, 5,400 milliamp hours in a foldable thin chassis. That's genuinely impressive. Now, let's talk about the decision that's going to divide people. Apple moved the volume buttons to the top edge of the phone, not the side, the top. Why? Because with the motherboard on the right, routing cables across the hinge was off the table. Moving the buttons up keeps everything tidy internally, and in landscape tablet mode, honestly, it makes total sense. But here's the catch. When you fold it into phone mode and try to adjust volume one-handed, you're reaching for the top of the device with your pointer finger. That's awkward. There's also a power button on the right side of the phone that doubles as a Touch ID sensor. Yes, Touch ID is back, baby! And there's a dedicated camera control button confirmed too, along with eSIM-only configuration. Apple clearly prioritized the iPad mini experience in landscape and accepted the ergonomic trade-off in phone mode. It's a two-in-one. Compromises are part of the deal. So here's the bottom line. Apple didn't just make a foldable, they made a statement. Repairable, modular, massive battery, Touch ID, and a design philosophy that puts the tablet experience first. Whether the volume button placement bothers you or not, the engineering behind this thing is genuinely next level. September can't come soon enough. If you want to see how this stacks up against the Huawei Pura X Max and the rest of the foldable market, I've got that video lined up. Links right there. I'll catch you in the next one.